race 13 years ago. He thought it would be a great opportunity to fundraise, to promote ocean swimming. The club now uses the funds for life-saving equipment, extra training programs that are open to the community, and they also use it to fund the competitors from the club. The other aspect of the day is the Kids Cancer Project. We have raised successfully over $100,000 in the last 3 years for that charity, and we are thrilled to be able to support them for the third year this year. This morning was ideal. The conditions held out for us. We sold out of the event. We've had some elite swimmers. We've had 5 people 70 plus, so couldn't have asked for anything more.